Then hello everyone. Tell me, where are you from?
We are from Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. And first time in this place?
Yes.
And have you done this kind of activities in your life before?
Not yet, first time.
First time with me in this place, okay? No, 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 no.
Can I take it there?
Yes, of course. Please, yeah. Pass him.
We are to the back side.
Yes, no, you have to press this side. Just follow with my rhythm. 1, 2, yeah, like this. Yeah. No. Yeah. You didn't want to get weight, yeah? Don't be scared, Madam Ji. Just feel free and make your trip memorable. Yeah. Whoa. How are you feeling?
Amazing.
Amazing. Please,
Very amazing.
Yeah. Don't be shy, okay? Yeah.
Excellent.